Hey guys! Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing healthy meal prep ideas for busy professionals. We all know how challenging it can be to eat healthy while juggling a busy work schedule. However, with some planning and preparation, it's definitely possible. In this video, we will be discussing some easy and delicious meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy professionals who are looking to eat healthily and save time. Before we dive into the meal prep ideas, let's first talk about the benefits of meal prep. Not only does it help to save time, but it can also help to save money, reduce food waste, and make it easier to eat healthy. With meal prep, you can plan your meals in advance, make healthy choices, and avoid unhealthy fast food options. Planning is key. The first step in successful meal prep is to plan your meals ahead of time. Take a few minutes each week to plan out your meals for the upcoming week. This will help you save time and money, and ensure that you have healthy meals available when you need them. Keep it simple. When it comes to meal prep, keeping things simple is key. Choose recipes that are easy to prepare and don't require a lot of ingredients. Simple meals like roasted vegetables with chicken or fish, or a stir-fry with plenty of veggies are great options. Make use of your slow cooker. A slow cooker is a great tool for busy professionals. You can use it to make soups, stews, and chili that can be easily portioned out for meals throughout the week. Simply add your ingredients in the morning, and you'll have a healthy meal waiting for you when you get home. Batch cook grains and proteins. Cooking grains and proteins in large batches is a great way to save time during the week. Cook a big batch of quinoa, rice, or pasta, and portion it out for meals throughout the week. You can also cook a big batch of chicken, beef, or tofu and use it in different dishes throughout the week. Pre-chop vegetables. Chopping vegetables can be time-consuming, so take some time on the weekend to pre-chop your veggies for the week. This will save you time during the week and make it easier to throw together a quick meal. Use mason jars for salads. Mason jars are a great way to prep salads ahead of time. Layer your ingredients in the jar, starting with the dressing at the bottom and adding your greens, veggies, and proteins on top. When you're ready to eat, simply shake the jar and enjoy. Pre-portion snacks. Snacks are an important part of a healthy diet, but they can be easy to overdo. Pre-portion your snacks for the week to avoid mindlessly snacking throughout the day. Nuts, fruit, and cut-up veggies are great options. Use frozen fruits and veggies. Frozen fruits and veggies are a great option for meal prep. They're just as nutritious as fresh produce, and they can be stored in the freezer for months. Use them in smoothies, stir-fries, and soups for an easy way to get your daily dose of fruits and veggies. Invest in good quality containers. Investing in good quality containers is important for meal prep. Look for containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe and have secure lids to avoid spills and leaks. Glass containers are also a great option because they're reusable and don't contain harmful chemicals. Mix and match ingredients. Mixing and matching ingredients is a great way to keep your meals interesting. Use different grains, proteins, and veggies to create a variety of different dishes throughout the week. You can also experiment with different spices and sauces to add flavor. Remember to keep it simple and flexible. Meal prep should make your life easier, not more stressful. Don't feel like you need to make elaborate meals every day. Focus on simple, healthy ingredients and find a routine that works for you. Meal prep ideas. Now, let's move on to some meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy professionals. First, we have the classic grilled chicken and veggies. Grill up some chicken breasts and pair them with some roasted vegetables for a well-rounded meal. You can also mix it up with different spices or marinades to add some variety. Next, we have overnight oats, a great option for a quick and easy breakfast. Simply mix oats with your choice of milk, yogurt, and toppings such as fruits and nuts, and leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and filling breakfast ready to go. Another great option is stir-fry. With some rice, veggies, and protein, you can create a well-balanced meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. You can also meal prep this in advance by cooking a large batch and dividing it into containers for the week. Lastly, let's talk about some tips for successful meal prep. Firstly, choose recipes that are easy to make and store well. Secondly, make a grocery list and stick to it to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. Lastly, set aside a few hours every week to dedicate to meal prep. This way, you'll have healthy and delicious meals ready to go for the week ahead. And that's it for today's video on healthy meal prep ideas for busy professionals. We hope these ideas have inspired you to start meal prepping and eating healthier. Let us know in the comments below which meal prep idea is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.